Debezium is a distributed platform that captures and streams changes from databases, making it an essential tool for data integration, ETL processes, and real-time analytics. In this tutorial, we will take a look at Debezium's key features, its architecture, and how it can be integrated into your application stack. In this section, we will walk you through the installation process of Debezium and show you how to connect it to your database. We will also cover the different connectors that Debezium provides, such as the MySQL connector and the PostgreSQL connector, and their specific configurations. Debezium connectors are responsible for capturing the changes in the database and streaming them to the downstream applications. In this section, we will explore the different connectors provided by Debezium, such as the Kafka connector and the InfluxDB connector. We will also cover the usage of the converters to extract and transform the data captured by the connectors. In this final section, we will discuss the best practices that you should follow when using Debezium in production environments such as monitoring and scaling. We will also showcase some interesting use cases where Debezium was used to solve complex data integration challenges, such as real-time fraud detection and online inventory management.